in JP Nagar, right outside an apartment. Samyukta Hornad, Indian actress, so of course features in a lot of Kannada cinema with me today. You're along with a stray dog. I think you feed them very often.
Yes.
How do you really look at the Supreme Court's, orders that have come in, especially pertaining to Delhi, where they've said round up all the street dogs, put them in an animal shelter. Now, here in Bengaluru, there are not even animal shelters. If this eventually applies to different parts of the city, Samyukta, how do you really look at it?
This is not a feasible move even in Delhi because there are about 3 lakh dogs there and not enough shelters. We don't have proper facilities for children. Like, forget the fact that there's nothing much happening for dogs across India. The bigger problem is when you actually feed them and look after them. These dogs have been neutered.
Okay.
They're socially responsible feeding, right? So when that happens, dogs are not aggressive.
Okay.
And plus, when you actually follow the ABC program and vaccinate them, sterilize them, the number of infections, all of this, oh, I'm so sorry.
No worries.
Yeah, all of this will reduce. So the problem that they're talking about is at a very basic system level.
Young child or maybe an elderly person walking, they could go into a more,
Panic.
state of panic, and then we've seen a dog even kill a person in Bengaluru. It just happened a few days ago near Sakar Nagar is what I'm
Right.
told. There have been multiple instances of young children being bitten by dogs. Rabies is a problem. So how do we really deal with this issue then?
I think the most important thing right now is education, to make like an apartment complex like this, to make people aware about how to deal with dogs. First thing, of course, the system is not following its thing, but to spread awareness about how, when you see a dog, don't run. Or even the fact that some of these feeders, I understand they love dogs, but they go outside these houses, feed chicken, non-veg, whatever, and the dogs get used to certain kind of food. You need to stop all that. You need to have, okay, in this corner, like this is our spot where we feed. So they know they only come here. They're not going to walk into homes anymore. So I think people taking responsibility, especially dog lovers, is also important.